months on this crown. Y'all can see the results. Y'all tell me how it's looking in the comments. Y'all tell me how it looks. I don't like to rate my waves because I think people who have waves be going a little too crazy on it. You gotta get other people to rate it for you. But yeah, man, y'all can see how it is. I got my crown back in place. Got the shower brush and scramble wash a lot. And I'm gonna bring some videos back for y'all, show y'all how those are. But man, y'all see it though. It's a quick update video. I'm going to give y'all a little tiny brush session. Y'all see how it's looking. Subscribers, man, people been supporting for real. Let me show y'all the front waves. I still got a couple of forks. Still gonna work on that. Definitely gonna work on that. I haven't uploaded videos in 2 months now. Looked at my analytics, it said 2 months. So, you know, your boy gonna be coming back slowly but surely. Away, but you know, you wanna be different. So, y'all see it. Y'all see it. That is, man, I'm gonna give y'all a quick little twirl, quick, you know what I'm saying, a little spin around. So y'all see on the back looking, sides, looking clean, man. Y'all tell me how I'm looking for real. Let me clean and fresh out, man. So I'm gonna show y'all the crown one more time. Y'all see how the crown looking. Looking very, very clean. I really worked on it. I'm gonna go and put up some pictures from how it used to look, and I'm gonna put up some stuff subscribers said that I found very interesting and very motivating. All right, man, so that was a quick update video. If you like that video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm coming back with multiple videos, so if you like this, hey, stay tuned. All right, I'll catch you on the next one.